Okay, now let's take a look at our data table. As you remember, Ms. Forsman and I were collecting data of the shadows in wintertime and summertime. So here's what your data should look like for winter. You should have each of the data points that we called out. I'll call them out again. Well, you can see them pretty clearly, so I guess I won't call them out again. I think you can see them. And then for summertime, here's our data points for the summer. Now, at the bottom of the page, you see where we graphed the motion of the light. We made a key. We chose blue. Let me scoot it up where you can see it. We chose blue for wintertime and red for summertime. I'm looking at that instead of the clipboard. Now we have to make a scale. The height of the light is what goes on our y-axis. We started out with 0 and we counted how many boxes we had, and there were 20 boxes. We looked at our data and our lowest value was 12 and our highest value was 38. So we knew we needed to go to at least 38 on our scale. And so since each box on here, there were 20 boxes, we decided to count by 2s. So we made each box counting by 2s all the way up to 40. Okay, on the x-axis it shows the shadow number, which were already given to us. There were 9 shadows on our data table, so there's 9 places on the x-axis. So to plot our points on our graph, I started with wintertime, and on shadow 1, the height of the light was 12 centimeters. So I found shadow 1, and I found 12 on my y-axis for the height of the light, and I came to where they meet and I made a point. That's my first wintertime point. I did it in blue because we're using blue for wintertime. Then I have shadow 2 is 12.5, so again I found where 2 met 12.5 and made a dot. And then I kept going. Once I had all of my dots plotted, we came back and we connected those dots to show the pattern of the wintertime shadows. And as you can see, during the day in the wintertime, the shadows do not change very much. Okay, if we look at our summertime values up here on the data table, shadow 1 was 20 centimeters. So I find shadow 1 and 20 centimeters, and I find where they meet, and I put a dot there. And I continue doing this with the other data, 24.5, 36, 37, 38, 37, 35, 25, 22. And once I have all of those dots plotted in red for summer, I go and connect those dots. As you can see, there is a great difference between early morning shadows like shadow 1 and afternoon like noontime shadows. Good.